Here I'm going to show you how to install your sling on a typical rifle with many different attachment points. Your sling will come assembled. There will be a short end and a long end. Typically the short end is going to go towards the front of the rifle. I'll start off by sliding this paracord piece through this M-lock opening. You can also use the front sight post or the whole rail itself as your attachment point, or even a sling loop if you have it. Okay, with your slider facing out, I'm just going to put the whole sling through this loop here. Pull that tight. Now going to the back of the rifle, still with the slider facing outwards, I'm going to take the end apart. Now, this longer piece, you can set it up different ways, but the way I would do it, if you have a QD here, go through this QD point. And again, just putting the whole ring through that system. And then you can slide the knot to the back to where you can still use the D-ring with the butt pad. It's not limiting your use of the sling at all. And sliding through, it'll take a little bit of a time to adjust this end point to where you want it, even after you've messed with the slider adjustment. And your sling is ready for use. Now, storing the sling, you can put excess away this way. And your sling is tight and stowed away.